Hi there to all of you. Greeting from my channel once again. I'm going to sketch the house back street view today. Since this picture caught my attention and it's remind me of my house in my hometown. So let's get started. Today I will use this small book, and if you are interested in the supply that I'm utilizing, you can read the explanation below. I'll draw the first outline, and I'm not going to use ruler here. If you want to use ruler, it's okay, but I prefer to draw with my hand as I don't like super straight lines, and finishing or the wobbly lines are kind of cute. So you can go pen outline, or you can go first like a rough sketch with the pencils. It's up to you. Here I start directly with the pen, but occasionally for more complex pieces I start with the pencil sketch, so that I can make any necessary correction before painting. I'm not going to draw the whole house here. As you can see, only 1/3 of it, because I'm going to focus on pot, plants, and along with the little path, what got my attention. So outline first before painting. I think this is the good idea, because if you outline correctly, and you would have good area, and it will be the easy way to color. But if you want to color first, it's no big deal. If you're already if you already have good skill in brush strokes and coloring, it's fine, you can go for that. Otherwise the color may spread and might ruin our drawing. So I recommend to outline first. So here I use Viridian green first as a base color here. I use more warm tone for this one, as this is the bottom of the photo, and plus the sunlight was blocked by the building, so that plant will get much sunlight. And I'm gonna use like lemon yellow and Viridian green later on. For this tall tree, comparing with the tall tree and the small plant, you will see that I used lighter tone because that tall tree have get much sunlight. Now you're gonna see that how what on what and what on drawing result are amazing here. For the plant, you can like use any different color you like. You don't have to be too accurate. So here I go more details for these things as I am emphasizing on those plants. So for this edge one, the plants from the edge, I use ultramarine. Yeah, that's why I said outline before drawing is great because you won't forget those parts. And for the building, now it's time for the building now. For that house, I miss yellow ochre and medium yellow. Can leave some spots because those things are going to be the highlight for your sketching. And here I use ultramarine again with a lot of water, but I go with the light brush strokes, and I put cobalt blue for the windows to give the transparent mood. So here, if you are good at playing brush stroke, then it is really good because same color with different brush stroke, it can give us the different colors vibes. For the door, and I use brown. Yeah, brown gonna use for those door and the pots. For the flower pots, I use brown. for shading these things, I use burnt umber and purple. Shading is important because if you shade those objects that you draw, which is gonna make your things more vivid, and it looks like pop up or like a three-dimension things. And I put the details on the artwork. So this is optional. If you don't want to put any like outline after painting, it's fine. Finishing lines here, which look more natural. Like I have to put this one. Yeah, after putting this, that's looking better now. Okay, now I use brown and try to do a little splash on it. And a bit of purple. Thank you so much for your support. It's individual to me, and I'm sincerely grateful for every view, like, comment, and share. Your engagement plays a crucial role in helping my channel grow and flourish. And wishing you all the best, and look forward to your continued presence on my channel. Bye bye.